The Newcomer gardening event was started mainly to educate all of the people who have moved to this area. There are so many people that have moved here from other parts of the country where the climate is different, the soil is different, and they get here, they buy their new house, and they plant plants, and then they die. And you know, when that happens repeatedly, people get really frustrated. Water educators in the region decided to create an event to specifically educate newcomers to the area. We started this as a partnership with the Collin County Master Gardeners, and we started in 2015, 2016. Our first year, we had about 300 attendees register for the event, and this year we had nearly 900 residents register for the event. Unique by Nature is a brand for the city, but it also contributes to the beautification of everybody's individual home, which has an economic impact and environmental impact. This department is responsible not only for beautification, but for watershed protection, promoting our recycling program, promoting our household hazardous waste, our FOG program, fat soils and grease program. All of those things contribute to the overall beauty of our city. To find out more information about our programs, you can visit mckinneytexas.org/green. There you'll see a calendar of events of everything that we've got coming up. You can also subscribe to our newsletter, which is published about every 3 or 4 weeks and has not only all of our upcoming events, but lots of green tips on just managing your home, managing your lawn, and different things that you can do for the environment.